Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your computer name. So to change your computer name, we have to click over here on this icon. It's called this PC. We have to right click on it. Then we have to click on the properties and it will open the system properties option. Okay, as you can see, this is the device name. This is the name that your computer is currently having. So it will be different for each and every computer. To rename this, we are going to click over here, rename this PC, and we can put the new name over here. So I'm going to put this name and I'm going to click on the next. Please note, it will ask you to restart your computer once. And once you restarted your computer, then only the settings will be applied. So as you can see, it's now renaming this computer. Okay, it's saying that after you restart, the PC name will be changed to Pinto. So we are going to click on the restart now button so I can show you. Okay, as you can see, my computer is restarted now and the name is changed. Previously it was named PD, but now it's renamed the new name that I have given. So if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to the next video. Thank you so much.